Come shopping with me, finding the perfect dress for my best friend's birthday. Hey, Charlotte here. So, listen, I have a big problem. It's my best friend's birthday party tonight. And guess what? I have absolutely nothing to wear. Total fashion emergency. So I thought, why not take you with me? Let's go shopping together. And while we're at it, you'll also learn some fun and useful English vocabulary, from clothes and accessories to everyday phrases and expressions. You're going to pick up a lot without even realizing it. All right, it's morning. I just woke up, did a quick stretch, and headed straight to the kitchen. Today's breakfast? A slice of toast with peanut butter and banana and a big cup of coffee. Gotta fuel up before the shopping spree. Now I'm getting ready. Let's see. I've packed my essentials. Phone, check. Wallet, check. Sunglasses. Definitely, it's super sunny outside. Oh, and sunscreen. Always important. Out the door we go. And now I'm in my car. Seatbelt on, music playing, let's head to the mall. And we're here. The mall looks busy today. So many people with shopping bags already. Okay, now where do I start? Zara, H&M, Mango? This is harder than I thought. Let's start with Zara. Walking through racks of dresses. Ooh, look at this one. A floral midi dress. A little too casual. Next. Ooh, this satin navy blue dress looks promising. Let me try it on. Not bad, but I don't feel like me in it. Back it goes. All right, next door. Let's try Mango. And bingo. There it is. A gorgeous soft pink dress with ruffle sleeves and a perfect fit. It's classy, fun, and totally birthday party approved. I twirl in front of the mirror. Yes, this is the one. Walking up to the counter now. You know that sound when they scan the tag? Payment done. Dress is in the bag. That was fun, wasn't it? I'm walking out of the mall feeling happy, successful, and honestly, kinda hungry again. But most importantly, I'm party ready. Thanks for coming along. I'll catch you in the next episode. Maybe we can pick out shoes next time? Until then, stay stylish, stay hydrated, and keep speaking English with confidence.